Well, that's odd. I just got a message from Ben from Bankrupt on my YouTube channel. Says to contact him. Let's see what that's all about.
So you may not know it, but even I will watch some of the travel vloggers from time to time to try to get inspired. Now, one of the persons that I somewhat watch is Bankrupt, and I just enjoy his wit and his sense of humor. It's kind of funny. He's always kind of upbeat. And so I watched his video here called The Amazon's Weirdest Village. And I put a little comment in there. And I said, to be out of your element is to truly feel alive and awakened. It is why we travel, my friend. I hope you never feel you have arrived, so the journey always has something in store for you. Cheers. So I wrote that, and then 6 hours later, I get what looks to be a highlighted reply, and it says Telegram ME at Bankrupt 2, and it has his little logo on it. And it says, thanks for watching and commenting. Write me up. I have something for you. That's kind of weird, right? What could he have for me? You know, that's kind of like, so Telegram me. I wonder if that's like an app. So I guess I'll have to download the app. So I'll download it and then I'll get back to you guys and we'll take it from there. So I downloaded the Telegram app and I looked for Bankrupt 2, and there was somebody there that had that handle. So I sent them a message and I said, hey, just seen your message to message you on here. You had something for me. Did I get that right, or am I confused? So I just want to be sure that whoever sent the message meant it for me and not somebody else. So let's wait and see what reply we get. So I got a reply back and it says, thank you for reaching back to me. Kindly show me a screenshot of my comment to you. Wow. This could be kind of cool, right? All right. So I sent a screenshot and we'll just wait. I'll tell you a really odd thing. Now, I started a bucket list and I'm trying to get up to about 300 things in my bucket list. And yesterday, just one day ago, I put in there that I wanted to vlog with Bankrupt. So to have this comment just kind of tripped me out. It's like, this is too coincidental. All right, so I've got a reply. It says, congratulations, you have been selected among my rewarded person. How long have you been a subscriber? How long have I been a subscriber? My girlfriend's laughing out there. Hey, you stop laughing. I don't know. How long have I been a subscriber? I used to watch a little bit of the old Bankrupt, but Bankrupt 2 I have not seen that many episodes of. Well, that's a tough one. So if I answer too little, they might think, well, maybe we're going to give me some little cheapy gift, right? But if they think that I've been on there a while, maybe I'll get the big kahuna. That's kind of funny to think like that, but you never know. But I think when it comes down to it, I'll be honest. I'll just tell them the truth. So let's see. Wow. I have never been selected before. Haha. How long? My girlfriend is laughing her ass off as I'm trying to remember. My subscription to number 2 is rather recent, but I do remember watching you off and on several years ago. Being a busy tuber, I don't watch many vlogs. Too busy editing. Ha ha ha. Often the tubers don't watch that many videos because we're just too stupid busy editing. All right, so I got a reply. It says, okay. Is this your first time winning something from my YouTube channel? Very first time. Okay. Thank you for the great love and support. What is your full name so your package will be processed? Wow, my package will be processed. What kind of package could that be? I don't know. Is it like a travel package? Sure. That's really getting interesting now, you guys. So your package will be processed. Okay, send me your full address and postal code where you want your package to be delivered to. Freaking wow. Wow, you guys. Okay, it says, okay, hold on while I contact my logistics manager to get the available shipping company for your location. Okie dokie. Wow. Wow, what could they be sending? What the heck could I win? Huh? I mean, I haven't won too much stuff. I have a little bit, but not in a long time. I won tickets to go see Travis Tritt at the House of Blues in Florida one time on a radio station, and they flew my friend and I from Portland, Oregon, all the way down to, where was that, Miami, Florida? Anyway, we were at the House of Blues. What a great time. We got to go backstage and see Travis Tritt. So it happens, you know, it does happen. And that was a fluke. That's a story in itself. Someday I'll tell you guys that story. Put my name. I'll say something nice. Thank you for your witty humor and gleeful smile as the wheels are always spinning inside. I always feel like Bald Bankrupt always has kind of like a feeling like something's always going on in his head. He's always kind of smiling like he knows the punchline, and he's slowly crafting it and waiting to deliver it. So I get inspired by people that are a little bit witty. All right, so it says, congratulations, Vern, you won and laptop backpack with USB port. Wow. DJI Mini 3 Pro and Sony A7R4 full frame mirrorless interchangeable camera. Wow. And one hoodie and two limited edition stickers. Congratulations once more. Oh my gosh, can you believe it? Holy smokes. Wow. I'm beside myself, you guys. So if you look at the backpack, what does a backpack cost? So let's see. So the average backpack is about 20 to 150 bucks for a USB backpack. And then let's see what else we've got. So we've got the drone, the Mavic Mini 3 Pro sells for starting at $759. It looks like there's just the basic kit, which must not be the Pro, for $669. Yeah. What else? And that camera's not a cheap camera. I have the A7R3. Look at that. It's $3,198 US for that camera. That's insane. That's a very amazing camera. Wow. So let's see if Bald Bankrupt has some hoodies that he features. So I'm looking at his merch. I see the featured products, and all I'm seeing are some t-shirts. So I don't know where they're getting the hoodie. Maybe it's just a regular generic hoodie. Maybe just a hoodie like this. So those are probably, I don't know, $10 to $30 depending on where you buy your hoodie from. And it says some limited edition stickers. Does he have some stickers? Let's look up, see if we can find some stickers. I've never known that he had any stickers, but oh, there are some stickers. Bald Bankrupt Russia vintage stickers, sticker for sale. So whether they're his or somebody else's, but maybe these are the stickers. What a deal, right? I mean, that's probably about 4,000 bucks in gear, you guys. Wow. What do you guys think of that, huh? Is this real? Is it fake? I don't know. But that's some nice gear. I wouldn't be sad to have that gear, especially a new camera. I have the A7R3, phenomenal camera. But when you own cameras, having the upgradable body is always the next thing to do. So yeah, I would be stoked to have that. Okay, your package has been acknowledged and it will be delivered in 48 hours. 48 hours. Wow. That's really fast. I don't know that it's very inexpensive to get a package to the Philippines in 48 hours. So it says, would you be able to pay the shipping fee? The shipping fee. I wonder how much that would be. I don't need it right away. And I don't know where it's coming from, so how much is the shipping fee, huh? Let's find out. So how much is the shipping fee? $70 is the shipping fee to your available location. That sounds kind of reasonable. It sounds kind of cheap. I've had a few things shipped from the US and it was over $150 for a box that big. What do you guys think? Is this a scam? Is this real? I don't know. $70. It doesn't sound outrageous. But I'm not sure. I'm just not sure. So the next question. Do I pay upon delivery? And they wrote back, payment method. We accept Zelle, Cash App, gift cards, PayPal, BTC. These are the payment method available at the moment. What your available payment method? I don't know, you guys. I don't know if I want to send $70 to something I'm not sure of. And if they're going to send me $4,000 worth of gear, it seems kind of strange that they're going to charge me $70, right? Why is that? I don't know. It just seems a little weird. All right, so I'm gonna ask them a few questions of my own this time. How do I know this isn't a scam from Nigeria? Sir, am an honest and God-fearing man. I can't do anything to tarnish my own reputation. So I'm gonna have him call me. This app you should be able to call, right? So call me. If I know it is your voice, then I know this is real. I'm gonna make him call me. I'm not gonna trust somebody's typing without a call. What do you guys think? I have a very good reputation to protect on here. Yeah? Still doesn't matter because I can't verify it's you, right? So I'm gonna tell him again. Call me. If I know it's your voice, then I know this is real. All right, so they wrote back again. Very bizarre. It says, I have a very good reputation to protect on here. And then they sent me this video of this lady. And apparently she was a winner too. And she's weeping. It's a 20-second video. I don't want to share the video because I don't have the rights to it. And if I did, my video would have an issue. So she's crying. And she's happy that she won because unfortunately she lost somebody in her life that week. And now she's winning this week, and she's sad and teared up, and I don't know. It seems like it's a little too bizarre. And then below it, it says, you can see another subscriber like you. That's weird, right? That's just really weird. If I hear your voice, then I know it is the real deal. I ain't gonna do anything to hear this person's voice now. I'm not gonna go with some sad, storied lady. That's pretty weird, right? So I had my hopes up, waiting to have all this amazing gear, this camera, the drone, the stickers in the hoodie, and now this. And then what do they write back? It says, you are doubting my personality, and that will not be good for my reputation. Don't doubt my word, because if you do, so you're going to lose this opportunity, and that won't be good enough then to do this and receive a blessing. It's not by force, because we don't force people to this. It's your choice if you like, but I assure you 100%, you got to receive the package after the payment, okay? God knows my heart. God knows my heart. What do you think, guys? Is this heart in the right place? I don't know. Either I lost out on an amazing deal or I just saved $70. What do you think?
Hey, Vern.